I'm Katie Couric. Today, OLAY launches its very first space mission.
Who has the keys?
What? I don't know. I thought you did. Why are these women in space? Find out when OLAY's mission is launched 2/2/2020.
I call shotgun.
Wait, I can't touch this.
I got the horses in the back. Horse stack is attached. Hat is matte black. I got the boots is black to match. Riding on a horse.
Ah,
You can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley. You ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
All right, here we go. Big Poppy, so happy to see you. Now, I love your accent, but for this commercial, we gotta really Boston it up, right? I mean, you got the clutch factor. Okay, so you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Now, just repeat after me. There's a wicked ripper by the harbor.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What's that mean?
It means there's a big party.
Okay.
You know that? Okay.
All right, wicked
Okay, so let's
ripper.
do it. There's a wicked ripper by the harbor.
Wicked ripper la 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 la.
Oh, God, listen, let me put this in terms you can understand, all right? Listen to me. Bottom of the ninth, game 7, we need a walk-off homer, okay?
All right, let's do it.
Let's get in
That's
that
mine.
mindset, okay?
That's me.
I'm gonna break it down into chunks. Say wicked,
Wicked
ripper,
ripper.
wicked ripper.
Wicked ripper.
There's a wicked ripper by the harbor.
Wicked ripper by the harbor.
I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Okay, all right. Listen.
New year, new you, new... Oh, hello. These new Fabletics feel amazing. New year, do you feel Fabletics? 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 Really good leggings. Who you guys working for this year? Big game. Woo!
You heard her. New year, do you in Fabletics. Lose yourself in the feel of Fabletics leggings, now available in a variety of colors, lengths, and sizes up to 4X. Score a deal on 2 pairs of leggings for just $24, only at Fabletics.com.